Stop it.
Hey! He's like, that almost worked.
You're gonna break something, like a paw or your back.
Let's not be silly, Boo.
Where are the French fries, Buford?
Look at him trying to formulate a plan.
How do I jump up there again? If I just get up there.
Oh! That's not your food, Boo. He thinks all food was made for him.
Oh.
Well, usually if I sit nice and beg, then I get it.
His ear.
He usually has one that perks up.
Oh.
He's done.